Welcome back to Huffler Garage. So this is a whole new one to us. And so what we have bought here is a Hawk DLX. This is going into our series of just testing out Chinese products. And so how we do that is we buy two of them. So we have the green one, and I have my blue one here that I haven't unboxed yet. And we're going to show you that as we break it down and go through that. So ready to cut this thing open. All right. Here we go. Voila. As you can see, we actually bought these things assembled. And the reason we did that is we didn't want to spend 5 to 6 hours trying to put them together. The dealer we bought these from, it was $300 to get it assembled. It is not completely 100% assembled. We do have to tighten up the rear tail lights. We got to put the mirrors on it. And we got a little goodie bag here of all the stuff. The keys come zip tied to the grip. And then inside of the seat, we do have a instruction setup with a CD. I actually kind of want to see that. But other than that, once we get everything tightened up, we're going to cut the bands on it and pull her off. Okay. So in our little goodie bag, we've got a vent tube for the fuel cap. We have 2 yellow reflectors that screw into the fork tubes. We've got our little foam head banger, so when you go over the handlebars, it cushions it just a little bit. We got a tool bag, and I'll open that up here in a second. And then we've got our mirrors. Just note that our green one, when it came in, only the mirrors had to be put on it. And I do have to tighten up the turn signals on this blue one. Inside of our little toolkit, open this thing up, see what we got. We've got a wrench that's a 12 and a 14 millimeter. We've got a flathead screwdriver. It pulls out and it does a Phillips screwdriver as well. And then got another wrench that's an 8 and a 10 millimeter. And then one thing you're always going to need, as far as I know, is a spark plug puller. These always come in handy. But this bike being an EFI, really, we shouldn't have that issue. Let's slide these tools back in here. Voila. Also in my little goodie bag, it came with 2 Phillips screws. These look like they're for body panels. I'm not entirely sure what they're for at the moment. Maybe they're just extras. But I'm going to hold on to those, and we're going to get these turn signals tightened up and get our reflectors put on. Kind of leave the front tire in the well. Alrighty, let's start her up for the first time. Zero miles. Okay. I'm gonna try her without any throttle. That was 2 months ago, back in April. So today as we stand, the Blue Hawk 250 has 909 miles on it, and our Green Hawk 250 has 1,200 miles on it. So in the following videos coming up, we are going to show you our reviews and the issues we've had throughout this riding process, and the warranty processes for a couple things we've had to get as well. Please like and subscribe and follow for more.